Hi, this is Jacob Tribman with Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. Today we are at 424 West Dory Lakes in Black Hawk, Colorado. This exquisite one-owner, 6-bedroom, 2-bath, modern mountain property. This property features over 3,000 square feet, low Gilpin County taxes, and over 1.29 acres. Beautiful open floor plan with large windows, surrounded by wooded mountain landscape. So let's take a look. So what was your favorite feature? Mine was these large windows with this beautiful scenery. Again, this is Jacob Tribman with Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. I look forward to showing you this property.